Everyone has a plan till they get punched in the mouth. When everything seems to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. Anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. Anyone who keeps learning stays young. The greatest thing in life is to keep your mind young. You can't build a reputation on what you are going to do. Obstacles are those frightful things you see when you take your eyes off your goal. When everything seems to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. If there is any one secret of success, it lies in the ability to get the other person's point of view and see things from that person's angle as well as from your own. Capital punishment is as fundamentally wrong as a cure for crime as charity is wrong as a cure for poverty. Enthusiasm is the use that makes your hopes shine to the stars. Enthusiasm is the sparkle in your eyes, the swing in your gait, the grip of your hand, the irresistible surge of will and energy to execute your ideas. If money is your hope for independence, you will never have it. The only real security that a man will have in this world is a reserve of knowledge, experience, and ability. Thinking is the hardest work there is, which is probably the reason why so few engage in it. If money is your hope for independence, you will never have it. The only real security that a man will have in this world is a reserve of knowledge, experience, and ability. I believe God is managing affairs and that He doesn't need any advice from me. With God in charge, I believe everything will work out for the best in the end. So what is there to worry about? Life is a series of experiences, each one of which makes us bigger, even though sometimes it is hard to realize this. For the world was built to develop character, and we must learn that the setbacks and griefs which we endure help us in our marching onward.